Hello everyone, my name is Nandi Pandai. I'm a social worker from Dementia SA. I'm not wearing a mask, not that I'm not adhering to the lockdown regulations as stipulated by the government, but I'm not wearing it now because I'm shooting this video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the communication techniques that we can use telephonically with our loved one who are living with dementia. Number one, when we are speaking to someone who's living with dementia over the phone, you need to mind the tone of your voice. 80% of communication is done through the tone of your voice. The tone of your voice can either make or break the conversation. If your tone of voice is too loud, a person who's living with dementia might think that you are fighting or you're angry. So when speaking to them over the phone, use calm and reassuring tone of voice. You need not to interrupt them when they are talking. Let them finish their sentence and then you can respond. Do not interrupt. You need to use simple and short sentences using simple words. Do not use slang because they might not understand what you are talking about. You need to avoid saying words like, "Don't you remember? But this happened." Don't try to make them to remember, because when you keep on saying don't you remember, then they will realize that, oh, perhaps there is something wrong with them, and then they will lose interest in the conversation. Their main focus will be on what is wrong with them rather than the conversation that you're trying to have with them. So do not use words like "don't you remember," because most people are living with dementia. Their short-term memory is not good, but their long-term memory is still okay. So they might not remember things that you did last year, which is 2019, but they might remember things that happened long time ago in 1991, for example. You need to listen carefully to rambling. People who are living with dementia can make long sentences, and during their sentences, the sense of what we were talking about might get lost. But as the person who does not have dementia, you need to listen to their rambling and find conversation points from their long sentences to keep the conversation going. You need to have empathy. Be empathetic when you're speaking to them. Put yourself in their shoes by saying words like, "I understand," or "I know." Just reassure them that you understand where they are. I always say we need to live with people who are living with dementia in their world. Be there with them. Don't try to prove them that they are right, they are wrong, and you are right. Also, allow extra time for a person to respond. I know that when you're speaking to someone over the phone, there might be that awkward silence, but you need to allow them ample time to respond to what you are saying. Yes, there might be awkward moments where it's quiet, but you still need to give them that time to respond. For more information on communication techniques with people who are living with dementia, you can contact us at Dementia SA by calling us any time of the day. You can contact us through our website. You can contact us via Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Till we meet next week, bye. Thank you.